Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To froth the milk without a frother, pour the milk into a large jar with a lid. Ideally, fill no more than a third of the jar. Screw the lid on tightly, and shake the jar vigorously until the milk is frothy and has roughly doubled in volume. This should take 30 to 60 seconds.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
I adapted my version of cold foam from this recipe for Starbucks' sweet cream and simply whipped the bejesus out of it with my NutriBullet blender. If you don't want to go through the process of whipping it up, you totally don't have to. It can just as easily be mixed into the cold brew like regular coffee creamer.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Cold foam cascara cold brew starts with Starbucks cold brew, lightly sweetened with vanilla syrup and topped with cascara cold foam and a strike of cascara topping, adding notes of brown sugar and maple without overpowering the smooth coffee flavor of cold brew.
Take our lead.
Froth the milk until thick and foamy, then serve immediately. For frothing milk in a blender, pour as much milk as you need for your drink into a blender, then let the machine rip for 15 to 30 seconds, or until the milk is foamy. Pour into your drink and sip away.
Take our lead.
Whisk together the condensed milk, heavy cream, and vanilla extract until smooth. Keep in fridge until ready to use. When ready to serve, place 1/4 cup in a blender and whip for about 10 seconds, or until thick and creamy.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Today, Starbucks announced 2 new cold coffee beverages and a delicious breakfast sandwich that will be added to its summer menu at Starbucks stores across the U.S. starting Tuesday, June 23. Customers can now enjoy the new cold brew with cinnamon almond milk foam, cold brew with dark cocoa almond milk foam, and the
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Pour almond milk in the bottom of a large bowl. Add cinnamon and use a frothier attachment to make foam. Beat milk for a couple minutes for foam to form. Divide cold brew into glasses, add ice cubes and pour almond milk over top with an extra sprinkle of cinnamon.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.